Now we are going to do checking subtraction with addition. So first we are going to subtract, then we are going to add. Okay. So first question, it is also 3-digit number, hundreds, tens and ones. 279, 279, 123, 123. So both are 3-digit number. So now we are going to subtract. So 9 minus 3. So what you are going to do? 9 is a greater number and 3 is a smaller number. Now you can what? Subtract, no issues. So it's 9. Okay, 9. So 9 minus 3. So after 3 you have to write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the number? 6. You have to write 6 here. So 7 minus 2 after 2. So 7 is a greater number and 2 is a smaller number. First I have complete the ones. Now I am going to subtract with tens. Tens place value. So what are the numbers in tens place? 7 and 2. 7 is a greater number and 2 is a smaller number. So after 2 you have to start doing backward counting. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the number? 5. Okay, write 5. And 2 minus 1, you know that very well, 1 is the answer. So you are going to write, that is the same number, answer is 1, 5, 6. Now you write. Okay, now you write this. So okay, the answer you have to write on the top. Then the second number you have to write it as it is. Then you have to add, if you get the question, that is 278, the answer is right. So this is what? Checking subtraction with addition. First you have to subtract, and what you are going to do, whether the subtraction answer, whatever the answer you got it, that answer it is, whether the answer is right or wrong means you have to do the addition method. That is what? Checking subtraction with addition method. So answer I have written on the top. First I have written the top, that is the first number, and second number as it is I have written the second number. So if you get the question, you can get the, if you get the question, your whatever the answer you find out is exactly right. Now I am going to add 6 plus 3. So after 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you have to write 9. Then 5 in the mind and 2 in the finger. After 5, what now? Ones is over. Now I am going to add with tens. So 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. You have to write 7 here. Okay. Then hundreds, 1 plus 1, 2. So you can get the question. That means the answer 156 here also 150. The answer is exactly right. What is the answer for the question? 156. This is the right answer for the question. And also checking subtraction with addition method is over for the first sum. So I think so now you understand this checking subtraction with addition. First you have done the subtraction, then you have to what? Write the answer as it is on the top. Then you have to write the second number. Then you can add both numbers. If you get the question, now the answer is exactly correct. That is what? Checking subtraction with addition method. Now we are going to do the second sum, that is ones place. What is first? You have to start with the ones place always. This is also 3-digit number, 610, 243. 610 means 610 and second number is 243. First you start with ones. So I am going to subtract with ones. Okay, that means ones. It is not a regrouping, I am just highlighting, that's it. So okay, so 0 minus 3 is not, 0 is not enough to subtract. So you have to borrow from 1. So 110 I have to borrow. So that this 0, that means ones place what is a number? 0 ones. So this 0 1 become what? 10 ones. So now 10 is a greater number and 3 is a smaller number. Now it is, you can what? No problem to subtract. So start doing backward counting. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 7. You have to write 7. So what is the number in the tens place? 1, because I have borrowed 1 tens. So what I have taken from this 110, I have taken 110. So what becomes 0, 10. So 0 is not enough to subtract. So I have to borrow from 100 place. So I have to borrow 100 plus from 100. I have to borrow from 100. So this 600. So if I borrow 100 from 600, this 600 become 500. That is 6. I have to borrow from 1 from this 6. This 6 become 5. So this 0 will become what? 10. Then 0 will become 10. That means 10 tens. Now 10 minus 4. So 10, now 10 is a, first it is a 0. So if I borrow from 1, so this 0 become 10. This 0 become 10. So now this 10 is a greater than 4. Now you can subtract because greater number to smaller number. So start doing backward counting again. After 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the number? 6. You have to write 6. Write the 6 as it is. Okay. Now, what is the number in 100 place? 5. So 5 minus 2. So start doing the backward counting after 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3. What is the answer? 367. This is the exact answer. Okay. So what are you going to do? You have to write the answer. You have to write the answer in the top of the place. That means first place. So answer you have to write it on the top, and second number as it is you must write in second place. Now you have to add both numbers if you get the question. That means 610 if you get, your answer is exactly right. So you're doing addition. So ones place, what is the number? 7 plus 3. So adding 7 in the mind, what is this? 7 in the mind, after 7 in the mind and 3 in the finger, after 7, 8, 9, 10. So what? 0 and 1 is in the top, is carry over. 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 means 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 1 I have to write it here. So this carryover is go to the 100 place. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 5, 6. So 610. This question, this 610, this question, you can get it. So your answer, that is 367. 367. This is the, whatever the answer, that means what the answer is 367. You can get this answer. This is the subtraction from 610 to 243. You subtract the answer, you get what the answer you get it 367. So you have to write it on the top, then you have to write the second number, then you have to add both. You can get the question, that is 610. Again you can get it. So that is 367. This is the right answer, whatever you find. Okay, 360 is the right answer for the what question. I think so you understand this checking subtraction with addition method.